देश की आपराधिक न्याय प्रणाली को पूरी तरह से बदलने के लिए नए अधिनियमता कानून, भारतीय न्याय संहिता, भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता और भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम 1 जुलाई से लागू होंगे। इन कानूनों पर बात करते हुए मुख्य न्यायाधीश DY चंद्रचूड़ ने कहा कि गवाही में देरी, जेलों में भीड़भाड़ से निपटना होगा। साथ ही उन्होंने कहा कि भविष्य के लिए हमारी युवा पीढ़ी को प्रशिक्षित करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि ये कानून हमारे इतिहास में एक ऐतिहासिक क्षण है, क्योंकि आपराधिक कानून हर किसी के साथ साथ समाज के नैतिक ढांचे को भी प्रभावित करते हैं।
Where the other man's nose begins. Procedural law, which governs crimes from the state of setting the criminal process in motion to the conviction for the commission of the offence, ensures that no person is charged and subsequently convicted for offences without the due process of law. The one thing which was the striking aspect of our triad of criminal laws was their age, 1860, 1872, and even 1973. And I think the enactment of these laws by Parliament is a clear indicator that India is changing, India is on the move, and that India needs new legal instruments to deal with current challenges and the challenges which we envisage for the future of our society. The traditional harm principle found resonance with the understanding that crime is immoral. The father of criminology, Rafael Garofalo, defined crime as an immoral and harmful act that is regarded as criminal by public opinion because it is an injury to so much of the moral sense as is possessed by a community, a measure which is indispensable to the adaptation of the individual to society. The ideals underpinning the combination of harm and immorality are premised on the perception that deprivation of liberty leads